How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I can't believe I'm saying this, but Bitcoin is dead. Crypto's dead. Just kidding. But there's some people that want you to believe that. There are a lot of articles saying that right now. And I'm going to talk about them here today and talk about where we are in the market. Now, if you guys don't mind hitting the like button for me, I really appreciate that. My nose is stuffed up. So when you hit the like button, it tells me that you know that you appreciate this, even though I am very congested. You want me to continue to make content like this, so I really do appreciate that. Also, hit subscribe. While you're down there, there is a link down there to BlockFi. They're giving you $250 or up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you sign up. They're giving you an interest rate. Also, they do things like this all the time. Earn an equal share of 7 Bitcoin for every trade of $500 or more. So sign up with the link underneath the video and you can get part of these different extra bonuses. They just give away money like crazy. So definitely check out that link underneath the video. Now, we just got a new institutional report. We got this, we get this every single Monday, and this is the first time in weeks that we've seen this, actually months. We actually saw an outflow from crypto. So we saw a significant outflow for the first time in 17 weeks. This only represents about 0.23 of the total assets under management, but still is alarming to a lot of people. It's the largest outflow we've seen in this whole chart. So where did the money flow out from? Well, Bitcoin and Ethereum. We had a little bit come out of Binance, but the most of it came out from Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, we did get some going into Polkadot and Solana. I've been talking about how I've been buying Solana a good amount over the last couple weeks, really. And you can see a lot is coming out of Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now, I've talked about this several times on the channel. I think the majority of that, the reason for this, because these are institutional investors, is because institutions do want to sell off some of their assets so that way that they can show that they've made a profit. Also, for just whales in general or normal investors, you can sell and there's no wash rule. So there is a lot of profit taking right now. So I would not be surprised. I was not surprised when I saw this. I thought this was actually happening. And this just confirms it for me that institutions are taking some profits. Now, we also have the Bitcoin death cross, which pushed Bitcoin price to about $29,000 last time, and it's reappearing. So the 20-day and the 200-day are crossing, showing a death cross. Now, one thing to pay attention to is that these are lagging indicators. So this sounds like a very scary headline, but that just shows, or that just tells us that we're going down right now, which is very true. I mean, we all knew this. At the same time, though, they say in this article that a similar death cross happened around March 2020, which, to be fair, everything was selling off then, right? And then everything recovered. So last time we saw this death cross happen, if it really was at 28,800, well, that was a great time to be buying. So if the death cross is here, that shows that we are in a pretty good time to buy. Don't let these types of articles scare you out of your positions. They're just lagging indicators anyways. This just shows what's happened in the past, not necessarily what's going to happen in the future. We hear that Bitcoin is dead all the time. We just heard today, and I covered it in my last video, that JPM is making their own version of Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is not dead, but it has been pronounced dead 436 times. The last time was Bitcoin might not last much longer, and then the first time was that it can't ever be a currency. So pay attention to that. Back in 2012, no one uses Bitcoin. Now, in 2013, only criminals use it. Then only nerds use it. Then only speculators use it. Then only a small percentage of the world uses it. Only small companies use it. Then only small countries use it. Next, it will be only medium countries use it, or only medium companies use it. And we'll still move down the timeline and we'll still have FUD. I think that's the most important thing to realize, that even as Bitcoin grows bigger and as we progress in the market, it's not a straight line up and to the right. There's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's a lot of people that want access to your crypto and they want you to sell it. So that is why I want to bring to your attention. I don't want to hold you here too long. If you guys want, you can check out the link down below to BlockFi to get an interest rate on your crypto. And I just want to bring this to your attention with the institutional investors selling off. I don't find this scary. I talked about this earlier in a video today. I don't find this scary for the end of the year. There's a lot of fear in the market right now, and I think it will turn around here soon. Now, I'll link that last video on the end screen. Again, I apologize for this. Hopefully in the next video it's better, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.